Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: a charged Switch Pro controller and Switch 2 powered on. First, plug the controller in if you want a wired handshake. This forces stable firmware recognition. Once done, make sure the console is on the home screen and go to Controllers in System Settings. Now, press and hold the Pro controller's small sync button for about 3 seconds until the LED blinks. That starts the device discovery process so the console can see it. You should now be in Controller's right arrow pair new controller. This tells Switch 2 to listen. Press and hold the Pro controller's sync button until the LEDs flash quickly. The console will list available devices. Once the controller name appears, select it with a Joy-Con or touchscreen. The console will exchange keys and finalize the Bluetooth link. This is why LEDs change pattern. If you used USB-C, the console will often install or verify firmware automatically during this step. You're nearly done. Test the controller by opening a game or the calibration screen. Make sure buttons, sticks, and motion work. If the system prompts, install controller or console updates now, because mismatched firmware can block pairing. If you hit issues, restart Switch 2, fully power cycle the Pro controller, or perform a controller reset by holding its sync button for about 10 seconds and retry pairing. One key tip: remove old Bluetooth entries if the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.